Hello everyone, my name is George.
I'm Isaac.
And today we have a very special treat for you. We're here with Mopars of Massachusetts and Mopars of New Hampshire. We're currently at a rest stop and we are taking a cruise to the Kangamangus Highway in Lincoln, New Hampshire as a fun little thing to do on a Sunday as the car season has been opening up. Isaac and I are going to be leading the cruise, so we are very excited. We have plenty of fun horsepower ridden cars with us. We have a couple Hellcats, the new TRX, which is actually right next to Isaac. He's been staring at it this whole time.
No.
It's a beautiful truck, absolutely great. So we just want to say thank you to everyone who showed up, especially from the Massachusetts members and the New Hampshire members. This is the first time I've hosted an event like this, or I should say we are the SLOPAR Boys. It's not just me, it's also Isaac.
Right.
So it's the first time we have hosted something like this. It's been an absolute blast so far. We were about to embark on the journey. It's probably going to be about 4 hours, a couple hours up on the highway, and then once we double back home. Once the highway ends, I think it's in Conway, right?
Yep.
Once we get out of Conway, that's pretty much the end of the cruise, and everyone is free to do whatever they want to do. So after that point, we will we'll catch up back with you. For now, enjoy the vehicles that were with us, and we'll catch you guys next time.